Hi, this is Abdullah Raza Lakhan, PhD scholar. Today I'm here to discuss with you. Actually, the topic is mobile cloud computing security. Oh, so many people, so many different people work over the mobile cloud computing, and so many researchers did their work on mobile cloud computing. So this is the part of our work because I did my work with two other professors from Muhammad Al University and Dawood Engineering College. So we just give the some exemption and practical approach how we give the security between mobile and cloud computing application. So this is a basically abstract. In abstract, we discussed three things: what's the role of cloud computing, and what is mobile computing, and how we interconnect the concept of mobile cloud computing, and what is the role of security between different framework like mobile computing and cloud computing. So first answer of question is that what is cloud computing? Nowadays the very high impedance services are required to do any job. So cloud computing is emergent and a very high efficient type of service which is available through the internet. So many providers of cloud services like Amazon, Azure, Apple, IBM, so many other companies, and nowadays the technology is mostly used, that is mobile computing, and so many end users do their work with the help of mobile devices. But mobile devices cannot access the data with high efficient format and cannot store the high level of large medium data. So what is the main concept of mobile cloud computing? To give the support to mobile device, which those supports like such as space, high performance bandwidth, security, heterogeneity, so many other resources supports. So the main important thing is that when data travel from the mobile computing to cloud computing, when accessing any OS commerce application, then the main problem is data security. For example, if any end user transmit credit card from the mobile device to a cloud server, that can be easily hacked through any hackers, and it can be easily catched and easily theft the data by any hacker. So our purpose model is very simple. This is a simple background about the mobile cloud computing, and very concept is very simple. Just how do you know the cloud computing have a different layers? Like you can say that it's a different layer like SaaS, PaaS, and OS. SaaS, you can say that it's a software as a service, which is mostly provide the executable software such as Dropbox, eCloud, cloud, so many software. PaaS basically provide the deployment tool, web server, execution runtime databases like cloud engine, and so many others there are. Infrastructure is a service. For example, if your computer have more than one operating system interact with the cloud server, then you can use the infrastructure as a service. You don't need to any other resources to deploy your service as much as you want. Come to the point, actually what is the structure I'm just gonna discuss in this paper. Yes, this is our framework, whatever I'm discussing here. So this is the environment, this total environment belongs to a computer, mobile devices or the small device applications. This is a cloud server. This is the transmission of data. So the previous technique, whatever we have, like such as this one, XML. When data travel from a mobile to cloud server, it carry out the data in form of XML, but XML has some sort of problem. Like XML has an open body, no scientific area, it has some synchronized part. Again, the problem of serializations, deserializations, and so many problems are there. How we interact with the help of such kind of a problem? Then the new concept is REST API. RESTful API, you can say that. RESTful API, you can access the data through of the JSON object. So, for example, this is the mobile data will switch to cloud server. Then our proposed model is that how we secure the data between this server and mobile device. So, for example, if we put the payment card, put the any card, first it will encrypt into mobile device. Yes, of course, I accept this is a very difficult for mobile computing also, because encryption taking a lot of time, but due to security will bear such kind of the barriers. So if we put the some sort of the text like ATM card, ATM number, it will encrypt, then it will travel to cloud server with the help of JSON object, with help of REST API, instead by the XML file. So when it will store the data in cloud storage, then it has encrypted format. Again, when you end user access data, it will back decrypted, then inside mobile it will be decrypted, encrypted inside mobile, decrypted inside mobile. Here you can see the format of data like encrypted, here plain text, here encrypted data store. You can say that a plain text. After encryption apply, we can say that it's a cryptography, but still this model has a lot of problem, because it's provide you a lot of solutions like encrypted inside the mobile data, but it's a very highly privacy, but mobile cannot capable to perform on the large data. The data is limited into less than 1 MB. With one condition we put here only the less than 1 MB data. It means the mobile encryption provide the only 1 MB data, less than 1 MB, and you cannot. So just to have the interface, just to do how to read the data, just encryption, decryption apply the this is our algorithm. We have provide the encryption. Here you can say that this encrypted data is stored into data cloud storage, because some part of the cloud storage you can see in future work. Our next paper, this is the first paper. Our next paper, we are working to how to perform the mobile efficiency, like its performance, high bandwidth, store the capability, a lot of things just we need to discuss into the second paper. This is our first paper, what we are providing the security between mobile computing and cloud computing. In overview, what is the concept behind that? Our purpose model is how to make the data secure between mobile and cloud computing. You need to again encrypt your data inside mobile, then it will go to cloud storage and store the data, then when back your data again you can decrypt data inside mobile. So inside mobile there are a lot of problems, but it's a good, again, and highly efficient. So we will discuss the more efficient way into next paper. Goodbye.